comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam and welcome to another house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some heel step variations. There are a lot of fun different ways that you can approach the heel step. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you 4 different ways that you can start getting creative and advancing your footwork in-house. All right, before we get into the first variation, it's important that you have your basic heel step down. So if you need some help with that, go ahead and check out that video right there. So when we're getting into these variations, something that is going to be really important to being able to execute is going to be the control that you have with just your foot going from your heel to your toe. The first thing that I want you to try is I want you to just go from your heel to your toe by using only your foot like this. Right? So I'm not adding any jack, I'm not using my legs at all, I'm just going heel, toe, and I'll try that on both sides. So this kind of control is gonna be important to being able to stay on beat and be able to execute all the variations. All right, so the first variation we're gonna get into is a repeat, and this can be a double, a triple, a quadruple, however many times you wanna do it, but essentially we're gonna be repeating the heel step on the same foot. So now as we do our repeat or our double, we're going to go heel, toe, yeah, it's very simple. So heel, heel, and, right? So we just have this easy 2, da, 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 da. But you're gonna see that as I'm doing that repeat, I'm really focusing on the control of my heel to the toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Okay, going into our second variation, and this is going to be crossing the heels. All right, so with this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna heel, and it's gonna kind of go in front of the other foot here, right? So instead of going out like this, I'm gonna heel right in front of my other foot, and this is gonna toe across the foot, right? So heel toe, and then I go heel toe back to the center. Then I can repeat on this side. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, okay? So that's just the feet, and then of course we have to add that jack. Heel toe, heel toe, right? So I'm gonna pull my body back on that toe. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. And this jack is really, really important if you wanna execute this properly. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
All right, the third variation is going to be twisting the heel, right? So this one, we're going heel and we're gonna twist this way. So we're going heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, da, 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 da. So with this one, what really helps me is heel, I'm gonna have this twist. Heel twist, heel toe. Heel twist, heel toe. Ha, 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 ha. So my body turns a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
All right, so the last variation I'm gonna show you in this video is going to be the gallop heel step. All right, so this one, we have a little bit of a jump as we do it, right? So when we do our first heel, we're gonna jump into that heel toe, right? So we're jumping, so if I'm jumping to my left, heel toe, then from here I'm gonna jump heel toe, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I have that jump at the same time, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that.
Jam, jam, here comes the man. Hot damn.
Thanks for checking out this quick house tutorial. Now, if you want more training with these variations of the heel step, I have a brand new house dance class here in my membership on YouTube. If you want to check that out, you can click the join button right here to join the membership. You get a class every single month. You also get personal feedback from me where you can email me your footage and I'll give you some critiques and some feedback to help you on your dance journey. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.